Vegan. Alright, so today, we're going to be working on function reviews. And a function is a relationship where every x value is paired exactly with exactly one y value. We're looking for x values, that's the independent quantity. X has only one dependent quantity, y. And the way we look at mapping or anything with the function, that means x can only be used once. So therefore, mapping, the way the mapping should look correctly is x can only be going to one time. So we could say x, 3 goes to 5, 7 goes to 8, and 2 can go to 8 as well because x only has one arrow going out of it. Not a function would look like this. We could say 3 goes to 8 and 3 goes to 5. This right here, having the two arrows coming from one x makes it not a function. Again, x cannot have two lines coming out of it. So it could still look like this, but since you have the two, it does not make it a function. And a table, we have our xy table going horizontally. So a function, we could put any number. 7 and we'll say 14. Whereas this first one, a function has x value only used once. 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 4, and 1, 7. Whereas, and the y value is okay, it can actually be repeated. Whereas the not a function is we have 1, 6, 3, negative 2, 3, 0. Right here again, 3 is being used once and twice, therefore it is not a function. XY pairs, so we can use any values. We could say 0, 1, and 5, and 2, and 4. Again, we're mainly focusing on the x values. They are not repeated. We could do the same thing, 1, 0, 5, but 1, 2. Again, this would not be a function because the x value is being repeated more than once. And then a graph. For a graph, so we could say this is one graph. And this is another graph. Alright, so a function, remember x cannot be repeated, and this could be done by doing a vertical line test. We are looking at the blue graph to pass that yellow line only at one point. And so therefore it passes here only at one point. Do another vertical line test. You can do it anywhere as long as you have a vertical line going up and down across, and it should touch the graph. Again, it only touches it right here. That is a function. The second one, this is not a function because if I put a vertical line test, it touches it twice, once here and once here. That's not a function. I could do that anywhere. And again, this is not a function because it passes it twice. So functions are relationships where every x value is paired exactly, that should be, with a y value. Keyword is exactly 1. That's the keyword. X value can only be used once, right?